Hi everybody, I'm going to talk about our final project, and this is a little demo. So our title is Words Matter, Reducing Social Bias in AI Image Generation via Prompt Design. Here's a brief introduction. Our subject is text-to-image generation model, which is a comprehensive tool that generates image given text input. The problem is we observe many social biases appear in AI image generation models, and this can reinforce stereotypes about gender, race, and culture in the society. What we tried are testing whether rewarding the prompts with some inclusive language enhancement can reduce those biases. Here we gonna introduce our I'm gonna introduce our experiment. The word usage we designed are split into three categories. They are occupation, trait, and daily activity. We further split those words into some smaller groups. For example, for occupation, we have firefighter, and that is usually describe a man in the society as a social stereotype. And for nurse is feminine coded, and doctor is usually gender neutral, and also actor and actress. Those are words that are gender specific. For trait, we also have adventurous, sensitive, creative. For daily activity, you have fixing a car, practicing yoga, and commuting on a subway. We select four models in this experiment. They are Microsoft Designer, PixArt Alpha, Stable Diffusion, and Adobe Firefly Image. For the prompts, we designed 5 versions. The first one is just baseline, an image of occupation, trait, or a scenario. And there are 4 different inclusive enhancements. The first is plus could be of any gender identity or cultural background. The second one is from diverse backgrounds. And the third one is with no assumptions about gender ethnicity. And the first one is represented across different skin tones and genders. Here is a little illustration about our experiment step. So the first of all, we just prepare the prompts for each word, and we input it to different models respectively, and finally we retrieve results. After those experiments, we will do some human annotation, and through those labels, we compute metric and analyze the results. So here we use Firefly Adobe as an example model, and the word actress is also taken as an example for the illustration. So here we just input it into the prompt and we try to generate it. Here. Since it is a gender-specific word, it usually describes a female actor. We have 4 female generated in this generation, and we try to use one of our inclusive phrase here, and actress with no assumption about its gender or ethnicity. Yeah, you see here we have a female here, a male here, like our inclusive phrase somewhat overpower the word itself. Yeah, here's just a little illustration of our experiment. And after that, we start to compute some metric. There are 3 metrics in this experiment. The first one is human label, and we also do some quantitative analysis based on it. And the second one is inception score. It is to measure image quality and diversity. And the clip score measures prompt image semantic alignment and visual diversity. And we don't have time to do manually computation and illustration of those two metrics, but I'm going to show some sample results about those metrics. So here we have base word, commuting, subway, and the props version 5 prompt version, and the human label. We through 3 ways. We label the image through gender, skin tone, and its culture. Yeah, here you can see some sample results. For this word, we also compute I-score and clip score. For I-score, the higher, the better diversity and quality. So here, the inclusive phrase actually have some small improvement on the I-score because we have like more diverse results in a category like gender, skin tone, and cultural marker. For the clip score, because this is example result from stable diffusion, and there are many blurred and ambiguous results usually appears in the generation images. So the semantic alignment actually are not improved usually, and sometimes getting worse. So we have see some slight decrease in the clip score. Yeah, and I think that's all for our demo here. Thank you for watching.